Hello friends and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on running late. Here the given problem is a man walking with his normal speed takes 45 minutes to cover a distance. If he travels with 3 by 5 of his normal speed to cover that distance, he will take how much time? Miss, if he is traveling with normal speed, he takes 45 minutes. If he travels 3 by 5 of his normal speed, so how much time he will take to cover the same distance? Okay, let us solve this problem. The formula for distance is equal to speed into time. So now whether he is moving with normal speed or he is traveling with 3 by 5 of his speed or slow or fast, in both the cases total distance travelled by him with normal speed and total distance travelled by him with any other speed will remain the constant. Means in both the condition the distance is constant. So distance with normal speed is equal to distance with 3 by 5 speed. Okay, so let us assume a man walking with his normal speed takes 45 minutes to cover a distance. If we assume his normal speed is s, he takes 45 minutes. So normal speed is s, time is 45. This is equal to distance with 3 by 5 speed. So what is the new speed? That is 3 by 5 s, because initially if speed is s, his new speed is 3 by 5 of normal speed, means 3 by 5 s into how much time he takes, that we have to determine. Let us assume with 3 by 5 s he takes t minutes. Solve this equation and you will get t is equal to 75 minutes. So t is equal to 75 minutes. So if he takes 45 minutes to cover a distance with normal speed, if he travels with 3 by 5 of his normal speed, he will take 75 minutes to cover the same distance. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook.